This is my possibly Adams to be used in case of fire only elevator panel. Now, you might not know what this button would have done. What it would have done is simply disable the door sensors, because on some, I think it might have only been older types of door sensors, smoke could cause the doors to think an object's in the way, and in a fire this would be dangerous. So if you held down this button, the door sensors would be disabled. I actually made a video demonstrating this on an actual elevator. These buttons might have been required by California code in the past, but I'm not sure. In videos I rarely see these, or when I haven't traveled to other states lately, but in videos I almost never see these outside of California. I think I've seen them in Nebraska a few times in videos. I'm going to press the button now. It's hard to press. I think it's by design. Okay, now I'll show you the back of it. That's what the back of it looks like. Now a side view. Now viewing it from this side. View on this side's not much different. I'm gonna try to press the button now. You might be able to see that. Alright, now the other side. Oh, this will work better. Now we're going to go off the tripod and get a closer look. There we go. Okay. A close and personal look. To be used in case of fire only button. These are designed to be hard to press on purpose, I think. May have been a code requirement. Though I think the one I demonstrated was actually pretty easy to press. Now, the back side, there's a giant spring. A giant spring. Unfortunately, on the front side, there's a little bit of vandalism. There's some scratches on the front of the panel. That writing, I'm guessing, is from installation. That's what the back looks like. Okay, now we'll look at one side. That's kind of... looks different on camera. Oh, I see now. This is what the side looks like. And the other side. Alright, now I'm going to try to press this button. I'm not sure if I can press it with one hand. Kind of. Let's see, I'll try to do it. Okay. It's hard to do. If the camera shakes, that might be why. Also, I'm holding the camera with one hand, and I'm pressing the button with the other one, and the button's hard to press. Focus. And now I'll show this side close up. See you can see the contact, and you can also see the spring compress. There's a giant spring in there. I guess that's to make it hard to press. Anyway, I think this panel's Adams. It could be GAL, but I've seen it on an elevator with Adams fixtures. I saw it on an ESCO elevator. But anyway, that's it.